The Globamboo triple drawer kitchen combo provides a premium storage solution for your outdoor culinary space. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this unit ensures durability and resistance against the elements while maintaining a sleek, modern appearance for your barbecue island. The robust construction is designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, making it an essential addition to any high-end grilling station or patio setup. With dimensions measuring 27.8 inches in width, 21.8 inches in depth, and 19.6 inches in height, the Globamboo triple drawer kitchen combo offers ample space for organizing your grilling tools, accessories, and supplies. The triple drawer configuration allows for systematic storage, keeping your utensils and cooking necessities within easy reach during your outdoor meal preparations. Its sealed design ensures that your items stay protected from dust, moisture, and pests throughout the seasons. Designed specifically for those who prioritize efficiency and organization, the left-oriented drawer layout of the Globamboo triple drawer kitchen combo enhances the accessibility of your outdoor cabinet. This versatile piece integrates seamlessly into custom barbecue islands, providing a professional-grade finish to your outdoor kitchen project. Investing in this storage solution elevates your grilling experience by offering a tidy, reliable, and stylish environment for all your outdoor cooking endeavors. Pros: integrated gapless frame design, brushed easy clean finish, quiet heavy-duty slides, durable 304 stainless steel, waterproof and corrosion-resistant, large sealed storage space, versatile indoor-outdoor use. Cons: no featured price offers available, limited customer rating. Sample size, left drawer configuration only, specific dimensions may not fit. Features: stainless steel construction, sealed storage design, triple drawer configuration, outdoor barbecue island compatible, left drawer orientation, size 27.8 by 21.8 inches, height 19.6 inches. Grilling station ready, weather-resistant material. The Globamboo triple drawer kitchen combo provides a premium storage solution for your outdoor culinary space. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this unit ensures durability and resistance against the elements while maintaining a sleek, modern appearance for your barbecue island. The robust construction is designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, making it an essential addition to any high-end grilling station or patio setup. The Globamboo outdoor kitchen drawer combo offers a durable 304 stainless steel construction, featuring a gapless frame design, a brushed finish for easy cleaning, and quiet, heavy-duty slides that provide a spacious, waterproof, and corrosion-resistant storage solution suitable for both indoor and outdoor grilling stations. However, potential buyers should note that this unit is restricted to a left drawer configuration and may not fit all spaces due to its specific dimensions. While purchasing decisions may be hampered by a limited customer rating. Sample size and the current lack of featured price offers.